Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a very nice recipe to reduce your weight. So this is what I've been taking for a couple of months now, and I've been able to monitor my weight, and so far I've just lost 6 kgs. So our ingredients for today, we are going to have our cabbage here. So I'm going to chop this cabbage. I also have my dania, one big apple, an avocado, one carrot, uh, one lime, and also beetroot here. So let me show you how I'm going to prepare this salad. So I always take this at night and also in the morning at times, but mostly I prefer it at night so that you don't take too much food before you go to sleep. So this is for one plate that I'm preparing, so this is enough for me. I'll just set this aside here. We are setting this aside. So next I'm going to add a little bit of salt inside here. That's enough, and then I'm going to squeeze this to make it softer and also tasty. As you can see, it's very soft. So next I'm going to chop my onions, these ones. This one is enough for me, so I don't need a lot. Next, we are going to grate our carrot. I've already washed it, so I'm going to peel the outer part. Take this every day, and please, after you've taken this, please comment below and tell me how it worked for you. This has really worked for me, and it's a very, very healthy diet. So I'm going to grate this. Take a plate of this every day and you see the results. And not necessarily you can take with these ingredients, you can also try something else, of which I'll show you, like the cucumbers and also some courgettes. So this is enough for me. I will add here. And then I'm going to also create this. So we are done with our apple. So I'm going to mix here. So next, I'm going to cut these. I don't need a lot of this, so half is enough. And then I'm going to create this one, just very rich. I don't need a lot. Oh no, there's problem. That's enough. So next I'm going to add our dhania. Just very little for topping. And then I'm going to add my lemon. Half of it. Make sure to remove the seeds. So next I'm going to mix my salad. So you can also add honey and mustard if you want to. So for me, I always take it like this. So when I'm taking this, I'll just maybe put maybe some ugali or maybe rice, just a very small portion of it, and my supper is free to go. So please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment so that we can reach as many people as we can. And please stay connected to this channel because we are going to post so many recipes that will help us to watch our weight and also to maintain our diets and to prevent so much unnecessary weight in our body. So until next video, bye guys. Please